Hi, welcome to the topic even and odd numbers. In previous lesson, we learned the basic information about the even and odd numbers. We learned how to differentiate between even and odd numbers. In this lesson, we are going to talk about some facts, how we can change an even number into odd number and how an odd number can be changed into even numbers. There are many ways that we can use for that. For example, if I will write the numbers on the number line, you are aware about the number line already. So let me start from the very basic numbers that I'm writing here over the screen. I'm going to write them in like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now, out of these numbers, we know some numbers are even and some numbers are odd. And we are very aware about the even and odd numbers. Like we know that 0, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 8, they are all even. Like I can say 0 is even, it's an even, 4 is even, 6 is even, 8 is even, and 1 is odd, 3 is odd, 5 is odd, 7 is odd, and number 9 is odd. Now if you look at this symmetry and continue it in the same way, like I'm going to write some bigger numbers so that your concept of understanding how we can change from even to odd and odd to even will be more clear. That's what I'm going to say here. It's 100. Here I'm going to write 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106. Okay, so I know very well that 100 is even, 102 is even, 104 is even, 106 is even. I explained in the previous lesson how you can distinguish between even and odd. If you don't know about that, go back, watch the previous video, and then come to this video. You will understand clearly the difference between even and odd. Now, 101 is odd, 103 is odd, 105 is odd. Now, looking at this one, this line and this line, we can clearly say that after every even number there is the next number is odd number. After odd there is even. So the symmetry goes on even, odd, and it's so on. Same way you can look over here. So from that one I can deduce a fact that if I will adding 1 in even number will give odd number. Second thing I can say, adding 1 in odd number gives an even number. Third thing, if you look at this symmetry, you can see if in an even I will add 2, I will get even. By adding 4 in the even, I will get even, and so on. So if I will adding 2 in even number gives an even. So it is actually the continuation of the same fact that adding an even number in the even will make an even number, and adding an odd number in the even will make the odd number, and adding an odd number in the odd number will give the even number. Same rule will continue for the subtraction as well. I mean, if you will subtract 1 from the even number, it will give you the odd number. I mean, I can say even number minus 1 will give me another will give me an odd number, or even number minus 3 will give me an odd number. So we can make it a general rule that subtraction of an odd number from the even number will give the odd number. Same way, if from the odd number you will subtract an even number from the odd, if you will subtract an even number, so you will get an odd number. Like for example, 7 is odd, 2 is even. The answer that you will get 5 is an odd number. So these are some facts about the even and odd numbers. Hopefully you understand. See you next time. Goodbye.